you ever woken up in the dead of night, heart pounding, mind racing, going through all the possible answers to the question, what if? Maybe the world outside seemed calm, but inside you were wrestling with a storm you couldn't name. Luke 24:36-37 tells of the disciples of Jesus huddled behind locked doors, grief and fear pressing in just moments after the horror of the cross. Then, as if breaking through a thick fog, Jesus simply stood among them. His first words cut through the tension like dawn's first light when he says, "Peace be with you." He doesn't criticize them for cowering in fear or promise a quick fix for all their problems. Instead, he offers his presence, a peace that doesn't erase trouble, but dwells right in the center. When Jesus meets us in our darkest moments, his voice becomes the calm in our chaos, a living reassurance that he still stands with us when every door seems closed. What do you need the assurance of God's peace for today? And as you speak to God, either out loud or in your journal, can I invite you to name the fear or an anxiety that knots your stomach? Then breathe deeply and remember Jesus' words, "Peace be with me." And sit in that stillness for a minute, letting his calm steady your heart. In the silence of your midnight fear, let Jesus and his peace become your unshakable dawn.